If I had to start running all over again in 2025, no fitness, no motivation, no clue where to begin, this is exactly how I would do it. But before we dive in, do me a quick favor. Like the video and subscribe to the channel if you're into simple, real-world tips for transforming your health and energy. But if you're overwhelmed, frustrated, or just trying to get moving again, this plan is going to make it simple and doable for you. Most beginner plans fail for one of three reasons. They're too intense, too complicated, or too boring. They throw in intervals, target paces, and rigid weekly goals that burn people out. I know because I tried most of them. What I realized was I didn't need a rigid weekly schedule. I needed a simple beginner template I could scale up as my skill grew. What I created took me from feeling like a nobody to finishing a full 26.2 mile marathon at 240 pounds. If it worked for me, it can absolutely get you where you want to go to. So here's the plan I'd follow if I were starting from zero. It's simple. 3 sessions per week, 30 minutes per session. Keep your effort low and controlled. You can walk the whole time if needed. If you can jog some or all of it, awesome. The whole goal is to keep the effort low and sustainable for the entire 30 minutes. But the priority is showing up for the entire 30 minutes and keeping it sustainable. If your schedule allows, add a 4th or a 5th day, but do not force it. This method builds your habit and your engine at the same time. That's the foundation. Once you can comfortably jog at least half or all of the time, it's time to scale. Add a little time. Bump 2 of your 30-minute sessions up to 40 or 45 minutes. If you were doing 3 days a week, maybe you switch to 4. If you were spending more time walking than jogging, maybe you shoot for more jogging than walking. But keep your effort easy. That's the key. The pace will come naturally. You're building momentum now. Now, if you're training for a half or full marathon, everything I said still applies, but there is one key addition. Add a long effort every weekend. Start with 45 minutes. Same rules. Keep the effort low, walk or jog, doesn't matter. Then every 1 to 2 weeks, bump that up by 10 or 15 minutes, based on how you feel. That long, slow effort, it's your best friend. It's how you build endurance without breaking your body. You're not training for a fast 5K right now. You're training to become the type of person that shows up consistently. You don't need to be fast. You don't need to be in shape yet. You just need to show up. This plan lets you do that without injury, burnout, or shame. If you want to go deeper, I built a full beginner running course called Run to Transform, based on everything that helped me go from nothing to running a full marathon. If this helps simplify your running journey, hit that subscribe button. I post every week to help people like you take control of their health and energy. And if you want this full plan in a simple PDF, you can print or screenshot. I put one together. Drop your email in the comments or DM me on Instagram @It'sBetterBeau, and I'll send it to you. You got this. Now get after it.